Title: The Rainbow Birds of Dream Valley. In a faraway land, beyond the highest mountains and the deepest seas, lay a magical place called Dream Valley. Dream Valley was unlike anywhere else in the world. Its skies were always painted with soft, pastel clouds, and sparkling rivers flowed through the fields of flowers that bloomed in every color imaginable. But the most extraordinary thing about Dream Valley was its birds, the rainbow birds. These birds were unlike any others. They had feathers that shimmered with every color of the rainbow, and as they flew, they left sparkling trails of light behind them. They were the guardians of Dream Valley, and they had a special job. Each night, they would sing a magical lullaby that filled the valley with peace and sweet dreams for everyone who lived there. The rainbow bird's leader was a wise and beautiful bird named Aurora, with feathers that gleamed like the morning sun. She was kind and brave, and she made sure that Dream Valley stayed safe and full of happiness. One day, something strange happened in Dream Valley. The colors of the sky began to fade, the flowers lost their vibrant hues, and the rivers stopped sparkling. Worst of all, the rainbow bird's feathers began to lose their brilliant colors, turning pale and dull. Without their magical colors, the birds could no longer sing their lullabies, and Dream Valley fell into a restless, dreamless night. Aurora knew something was terribly wrong. After searching for answers, she discovered that the source of Dream Valley's magic, the rainbow crystal, had been stolen. The crystal was hidden deep in the heart of the valley and was what gave the rainbow birds their vibrant feathers and magical song. Without it, all the beauty and dreams of Dream Valley would disappear forever. Determined to save their home, Aurora called upon the bravest birds in the valley: Breezy, a small but fast bird with feathers like the wind; Sunny, a cheerful bird with feathers as bright as the sun; and Sky, a calm and strong bird with wings as blue as the ocean. "We must find the rainbow crystal and return it before Dream Valley fades completely," Aurora told them. "But we must be quick. The longer the crystal is gone, the harder it will be to restore the valley's magic." Together, Aurora, Breezy, Sunny, and Sky set off on their adventure. They flew over the fading flowers and dim rivers, searching for any clue of the missing crystal. Their journey took them to the darkest corner of Dream Valley, a shadowy place called Gloomy Gorge, where no bird had ever dared to fly before. In the heart of Gloomy Gorge, they found a sneaky creature named Grizzle, a grouchy old gremlin who had taken the rainbow crystal. Grizzle was tired of all the happiness in Dream Valley. He wanted to keep the crystal's magic for himself so that he could control the colors and dreams of the valley. "We can't let you have the crystal, Grizzle," Aurora said firmly. "Dream Valley needs it to stay beautiful, and the people need their dreams." Grizzle laughed. "You can't stop me. Without the crystal, you have no power." But Aurora wasn't afraid. She knew that the rainbow birds' true magic didn't just come from the crystal, it came from their hearts. Together, the birds began to sing, even though their feathers had lost their color.